Hi everyone, in this video I am going to discuss three different terms which we use for the full adder. So they are delete, propagate, generate. So what is delete, what is propagate, what is generate? So these two terms are very much needed to understand many other adders. So we know the truth table of full adder. And first of all, we know what is a full adder. A, B and the previous carry, these three are the inputs to the full adder, so that we get the output sum and the carry. So we know whenever we add 0 plus 0 plus 0, we'll get sum 0, carry 0. Similarly, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is sum is 1 with carry 0. So likewise, 1 plus 1 gives 0 with a carry 1. So 0 is added to 1 gives 1 with a carry 1. So this is the addition. And what about these terms? Delete, propagate, generate. So these terms are given by observing the truth table. So by analyzing the truth table, these terms are defined. So we can just no, delete is nothing but a bar dot b bar. So delete will become 1 when a is 0 and b is 0. Similarly, generate will be 1, g is 1 when a is 1 and b is 1. Propagate is nothing but a XOR b. We know XOR gate. XOR gate is a bar b plus a b bar. So whenever one of the inputs is 0, the other input is 1 among a and b, then we will have propagate as 1. So if we again analyze the truth table, then when a is 0, b is 0, so that means when a is 0, b is 0, delete will become 1. A bar d is equal to a bar dot b bar. Similarly, when a is 1, b is 1, in these two cases, a is 1, b is 1, g will become 1. Similarly, these four cases are a, b becoming either one input is 1, the other one will be 0, like that. Among a and b, one is 0, the other is 1. So if we observe here, so when a is 0, b is 0, so that means according to our equation d is 0. So delete is nothing but output carry will be definitely 0. What is delete? Carry is going to be deleted irrespective of the input carry. Irrespective of the input carry, we are examining only a and b. If a, b are 0, whatever may be the input carry, either 0 or 1, the output carry is going to be deleted. Similarly, generate. When a is 1, b is 1, irrespective of the input carry, output carry is going to be generated. Output carry is going to become 1. Generate means output carry 1. Delete means output carry 0. So coming to the propagate, when one of the inputs of a and b is 1, the other is 0, in these four cases, then whatever is the input carry, same is the output carry. So input carry is 0, output carry is also 0. Input carry is 1, output carry is 1. So we can observe the same situation for the next two cases also. So this is the propagate. So these three should be understood in order to analyze many other adders like Manchester adder or pass transistor based full adder, transmission gate full adder. So likewise, we have many other adders designed using these concepts. So we should know what is delete. D is nothing but a bar dot b bar. So that is a is 0, b is 0. Generate. G is nothing but a dot b. So that means a is 1, b is 1. Propagate. A XOR b. Then whatever is the input carry, output carry will be the same. So by understanding these three, next is how to find out the carry and sum with this generate and propagate. So carry is nothing but G plus PCI. So G plus PCI, this is OR, G OR P dot CI. So let us go back. So here C naught is equal to G plus PCI. So we'll analyze. So C naught is equal to G plus PCI. So that means G plus PCI means either carry will be generated. Carry will be generated means carry will be 1. Carry will be 1 either when G is 1. So that means A is 1, B is 1. So G plus PCI. So G means this. Plus PCI means P will be 1. P must be 1 in these 4 cases. P must be 1 and CI also should be 1. So in that case we will have the carry as 1. So in all these 4 cases, P is 1. But C is 1 in which case? Only in these 2. So in that 2 cases only we are having the carry. So carry is given by G plus P CI. So that means either when generate is 1 we get a carry, or the XOR combination is 1 of A and B, and for that input carry also should be 1. Then only output carry will become 1. So this is carry equation. So C naught is equal to output carry in terms of generate and propagate is G plus PCI. Similarly, sum. How we'll get the sum? P XOR CI. So we know sum is nothing but A XOR B. So P is also A XOR B. A XOR B XOR CI. It's not a new equation which we don't know. So let us see. Sum is 1 in these cases, no? So for that we will see. A XOR B is 1. A XOR B is 1. And in that A XOR B XOR C gives the sum. So here we can see. So this is, in this case we can see 1. XOR operation is 1. And A XOR B XOR C. So that means A XOR B is 1 here. So with that 1 if we do the XOR operation. So that means XOR operation will be 1 when both the inputs are unequal. So that means if both the inputs are equal 0 0 1 1, XOR output will become 0. So if either of the inputs is 1, the other one is 0, then XOR operation will become 1. So here what we need to observe, either we have the case of A, B, one of the input should be 0, the other is 1, or the carry should be 1. So that is the XOR. So we can see here if we observe A, B, here XOR operation is 0. In that case carry should be 1. Then we get a sum. Here XOR operation is 1. Then carry should be 0. Then we get the sum. Here XOR operation is 1 and carry is also 1. So sum is 0. So like that. Here XOR operation is 1. Carry is 0. So we are having the sum as 1. So both we should not have. Either XOR should be 1 or carry should be 1. So we can see this case here. XOR operation is 0 because A, B unequal are nothing but the XOR 0. So if A is 1, B is 1, XOR operation will become 0. Then if carry is 1, we get a sum as 1. So like that we can generate the sum and carry using these equations. So we need to definitely remember delete, propagate, generate, and with that we can analyze the output carry sum. Hope you all understood. Thank you.